Welcome to my channel Nutrition Education. Today I will discuss about the most important thing in our life but we don't care of it. Do you know what is this? Yes, it's our food. So first of all I will discuss what is food exactly. Food is necessity of life and must be consumed to sustain it. Food may be defined as any substance that, we ingested, usually will supply nutrients such as carbohydrates, or fats, proteins, vitamin, mineral elements and water that nourish your body. What is nutrition? Nutrition is the process of consuming, absorbing and using nutrients needed by the body for growth, development and maintenance of life. It is essential for our survival and growth, and it plays an important role in health, disease prevention, and disease management. Why nutrition is important? Nutrition plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Proper nutrition ensures that our bodies receive the necessary nutrients to function properly. These nutrients include carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals, all of which serve a variety of essential functions within the body. Without adequate nutrition, our bodies become more susceptible to illnesses, diseases, and a host of other health problems. What are the benefits of good nutrition? A well-balanced diet can provide numerous benefits to our overall health and well-being. Some of these benefits include increased energy levels, improved mental clarity and focus, reduced risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease and diabetes, strengthened immune system, better sleep quality, improved digestion, maintaining a healthy weight. How to achieve good nutrition? To achieve optimal nutrition, it is important to consume a wide variety of nutrient-dense foods including lean proteins e.g. chicken, fish, tofu, whole grains e.g. oatmeal, brown rice, quinoa, fruits and vegetables e.g. spinach, blueberries, sweet potatoes, healthy fats e.g. avocado, nuts, olive oil. What happened when we don't have good nutrition? It will lead to many health problems, such as weight-related problems, reduced immune function, impaired growth and development, poor cognitive function, increased risk of chronic diseases. So, it is essential to prioritize good nutrition by consuming a balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrient-dense foods. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.